What is the limit of ln x as x approaches 0 from the right? So alam natin that ln x is just equal to log of x to the base e. Tama? So we can write this now as the limit of log of x to the base e as x approaches 0 from the right. And we know that e is greater than 1. Therefore, the limit of this is equal to negative infinity. So we use theorem number 1. How about the limit of ln of 1 over x squared as x approaches 0 from the right? So we can rewrite this as the limit of ln of x raised to negative 2 as x approaches 0 from the right. Tama? Or pwede, by properties of ln, lalagay natin yun as the limit of negative 2 ln x as x approaches 0 from the right. Or that is now, ilabas natin si negative 2, the limit of ln x as x approaches 0 from the right. And we know that the limit of this is equal to negative infinity. Therefore, we have negative 2 times negative infinity, which is equal now to positive infinity. Now, let's find the limit of ln of x minus 1 over x as x approaches 1 from the right. Note na yung argument nito, di ba, x minus 1 over x, this approaches 0 positive as x approaches 1 from the right. So using this fact and theorem number 1, we arrive at the conclusion that the limit of ln of x minus 1 over x as x approaches 1 from the right is actually equal to negative infinity. Okay, eto, medyo kailangan ng explanation. So let's explain why the limit of ln of x minus 1 over x as x approaches 0 from the left is equal to positive infinity. Again, tignan natin yung argument niya, yung x minus 1 over x. So let's observe, ano nga bang nangyayari dito as x approaches 0 from the left? X minus 1 over x actually increases. Tama? Increases means papunta siya sa positive infinity as x approaches 0 from the left. Therefore, we conclude that yes, this is true. The limit of ln of x minus 1 over x as x approaches 0 from the left is indeed positive infinity.